Our company is looking for more serious individual who wants to learn online. Pangarap mo rin ba na magkaroon ng online business na kung saan hindi mo na kailangan iwan yung full-time job mo? Or ikaw ay students o kaya housewife, pwede ka dito. Hello beautiful soul, by the way this is Genevieve at ako po ay nakabase dito sa Denmark, and today i-share ko po sa inyo paano ba ako kumita ng 6 figures in just 3 months sa pag-online. Yes po, you heard it right, as long as masipag ka and willing kang gawin ito. So kung ikaw ay tamad at ayaw mo ng effort at pagtatrabaho, skip this video, this is not for you. So beautiful soul, kung gusto mo na kumita aside dyan sa full-time job mo, gusto mong magkaroon ng side hustle na hawak mo yung oras mo at pwede mong gawin anytime, anywhere, dahil nga copy-paste system lang ito, as long as willing kang sumunod at matuto, then pwede ka dito. So beautiful soul, what are you waiting for? Comment how, say yes, gaguide kita kung paano magsimula. Bye bye!